Hi guys, today we're having a look at another hair product. This is the K18 Biomimetic Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. It says it's good to heal damage caused by bleach and colour, chemical services, heat styling or mechanical styling, as in snapping it with a brush. So I got this on Cult Beauty. There's 3 sizes. This is a little dinky 5ml tube, which was £9. There's a 15mm size that is £25, and then there's a 50ml size that's £55. So, and cheap, I went for the smallest one. You know, it's just the way it is. But I'm a bit gutted now that I've got the smallest one, because I read all the instructions on Cult Beauty, you know, wash your hair, don't shampoo, towel dry, put it in, style as normal after a little while. And then I realised there's an instruction book in with it, and it's fine until you get to use for the next 4 to 6 washes. So I might have to go and shell out for the £25 or £55 one to do a full review on this. But anyway, I've done a quick, before I go in the shower, this is what my hair looks like, and then yeah, we'll come back. Right, so quick shot of my hair before I use this product. My hair's not too bad because I had quite a good haircut. But looking at the ends, we've still got the kind of dufting going on where it doesn't really, you know, hang like I would want it to. Got some wee frizzy-ish bits. So we're still going to try this out and see what it does, but I think you're going to have to take a lot of trust on me telling you about how my hair feels having used this, because like I said, it's not actually as damaged looking as it has been for previous hair product reviews videos. So I'll be right back. Right, I'm back. My hair is towel dried and we're going to see how far we get with this little guy. I think I made a mistake buying this size, but anyway. So it says you're meant to work it all the way up to the roots. I have quite an oily scalp, so I might not do that. So I'm actually going to split my hair into 4. That's going to make life easier, I think, and start working my way up. So there is actually an instruction book with this, but then you realise it's just all different languages. So I've shampooed, I didn't condition, I've towel dried. Work evenly into the hair from ends to roots, a small amount at a time, and then you leave it to sit for 4 minutes. So I'm going to go and brush my teeth and everything after I've got this in. Oh, it's quite thick. It's not got a strong scent, but it's a weird texture. Okay, anyway, so working it through, working it through. So this does feel nice actually. My hair is, I haven't brushed my hair and obviously, like I said, didn't condition it. My fingers are going through quite easily with this product, so that's cool. I feel like I've actually got a reasonable amount in that section of hair, so let's move to the next section. Like, it feels reasonably coated in that section. So, and do the same again. Okay, I think I need, that was a slightly bigger section. I think I need a little bit more. It doesn't feel quite as slippery as the front section. See what it's like getting a brush through this now. Oh, okay. Considering I hadn't conditioned it and hadn't brushed it yet from the shower, that went through so easily, so that's pretty cool. I mean, for comparison, Like if I tried to brush that one, that's what happens. So, and I just put slightly more product on that to battle the fact that I just put a massive tight tug in it. Okay, one more section to go, but that's feeling nice as well. And we've got this guy. So for my length of hair, that size of packaging has literally just over one application, and that was with me not going up to the roots. I think if I'd went all the way to my roots, all the way around my head, that would be gone. I've got quite a bit of hair tangled around my fingers, but I mean, normally you would brush your hair and you would have that in the brush, so it's just a bit more obvious when it's attached to your own hands, you know? Okay, so yeah, my hair feels quite slippery. Strange description, but there you go. Yeah, I mean, in terms of how much product there is left, if I try and shake it down to the bottom, so yeah, we're up to here before there's anything coming out. So if you had shorter hair, that might do you 2 applications. Right, I'm going to go and give this the 4 minutes to settle in, and I'm going to go and brush my teeth, dry my hair, and I'll come back and see how beautiful my hair looks. So I'm back. I dried my hair. It dried very quickly. Let's have a quick look at the kind of tuftiness. So it is, I would say, drooping a tiny bit more. It looks a little bit smoother at the ends. It feels lovely. I might actually go and buy the bigger size, do this another couple of times, because if this was like after one time and they were recommending a couple of times, I can't imagine how nice my hair is going to feel. So we will try it, I will come back, and we'll see what we've got going on. Right, so we're back. I bought the slightly bigger pump bottle of the product so that I could keep going. Really wasn't expecting to have to use it that many times to do a review, so ouch, this hit the pocket more than I expected. That being said, so the first 2 times I used this, I feel like I made not a mistake, but just not the greatest judgment call. So I shampooed my hair, I used this as instructed, and that was it. I cut out all the other steps in my routine, which was very silly. First time I used it, it still felt nice doing that. The second time, it was as if my hair had caught up that it was missing out on something. And then I went back to normal and kept using my hair oil and my heat protectant spray, because this was only ever meant to replace my conditioner, so I have no idea why I kept skipping those. Anyway, we're now 4 washes in, and I definitely feel like my hair feels nicer. It's nicer, this product smells nice. Quite enjoyed the faster showers, and I definitely think the ends of my hair look healthier, so I'm pretty excited. I also weirdly feel like this is going to help maintain my hair dye a little bit better, because rather than standing in the shower to rinse out conditioner, my hair is only really going through one rinse cycle every time I wash it. So this is pricey, but actually I want to put it in the goodbye category. I'm really enjoying it. It's so easy to use, it's effective, it smells really nice, and in the back of my head it's going to keep my hair brighter for longer, so that is all good stuff. So a little bit pricey, but definitely a good product. If you've done some damage to your hair, it's a nice one to try out. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. If you know of any similar cheaper products that are cruelty free, leave those down below as well so I can nosy at those. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!